proud. Really, words cannot describe how amazing it is to know that at 17 years of age, I'm making a difference in my community, that this language will be able to be heard around the world.
To have our people put in the forefront of such a beautiful production, such as the Moana version of Disney, really lets all Kanaka know that we can present our stories in our language for our people.
I think it's another branch that allows the normalizing, allow Hawaiian language to be part of a story of conversation of kids talking to parents and talking to their grandparents. Any kind, the interaction normalizes Hawaiian. That's going to be great.
They don't have to sing how far I'll go. They can sing Ihea Na'au, you know? Where am I going and how far I'll go, Maka ʻōlelo Hawaii, for our la hui. That's the most powerful thing of this project for me.
It is amazing to know that our language will be heard again around the world, and to know that we are dang proud of it too.